Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to manage navigation panel. To manage navigation panel, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the shifter panel. Thanks to this knob, we can navigate through thanks to this knob we can navigate through screen display. As you can see, we've got the three buttons here: music, navigation and menu. Press home button to go to home. Now scroll this button to navigate through current menu. Press back button to go back, navigation to go to navigation, and music to go to radio. Now let's take a look at the screen display and what we can find here. On the screen display we can find information, entertainment, communication, navigation and settings. Manage everything by the knob in the center of the car. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.